Welcome back, everybody. I'm doing my rear brakes on my 95 Sonoma. Make sure if you have a manual transmission or automatic, park on a level surface. If you cannot, chock the wheels with a piece of board, 4x4. Just make sure it won't roll. Get yourself a 19mm or 3/4 inch and drive the lug nuts off. Which I've already loosened them. Okay. Gently pull off the drum. You have to pardon me, I'm doing this one-handed. But it seems to come off. But these shoes seem to be in good shape. Do not breathe that. Okay. Clean this up with a little brake cleaner, and I'm going to change these anyway. So we'll get them off and I'll show you what you'll need. You'll need a spring tool for these, a brake spoon to adjust it after you've installed them, and brake spring pliers. I mean, you can use a screwdriver, I've done it before, but it's a lot more of a pain. And a catch pan if you spray brake fluid. Let's get to work. Best to wear gloves because brake dust gets everywhere, and I should have cleaned it off before I even started, so here we go. Set for a moment, and I'll be right back. Take your new shoes, put the big shoe toward the back. This spring here connects the two of them here, and this is your adjuster. We'll get to that in a moment. Pardon background noise. After fighting with it for a few minutes, but that's how it's supposed to look. So, all right, let's put it back on. Be sure to put your parking brake linkage right here. Sorry, right there. Be sure to put your parking brake linkage right here. Sorry, right there. Yes, they'll come apart if you're just like that. They'll come apart if you're not careful. Okay. I know I skipped a few things, but make sure your parking link is right. The spring is right here. This side right here will be wider because of the parking brake engager right back here. You can actually put these on by hand if you're good and if you can get it right. I did it, but use your brake spring tool. It helps a lot. Next, you want to put your springs back in. Insert them in the hole right there. I'll try and do this one-handed, so bear with me. Get your tool like this. Hook it right there. Ouch. And there you go. Okay, same with the other spring. Put it in here. And we'll try and get it one-handed again. And there it is. What you're gonna need to do next is put your drum back on and then adjust this with a brake spoon. Get it until you can just barely fit it in. Once you do that, you're done with this side, and we'll go to the next side. Alright, I did a little improving on my camera skills. I got me a tripod. So, back to the brakes. This is the leaky wheel cylinder side, but I'm going to do the brakes here again. Like I said, sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. There we go. It's been a while since I've done drum brakes. And there you go. You just got to get the right bite and get the spring on this bit here. This one it'll be troublesome. Okay. There we go. Pin. And there's the ugly bugger.